you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I've got an $80 grocery haul. How far did it go? Not very. Not very. Not very. Well, let's see what I got and see what I can do with it. We're going to start from the left to the right. Now, I got basic things for salad. I got some spring mix. I got some spinach. I got some red onions. Delicious. I have cucumbers, 3 of them to be exact. Nice ones. Ready to be chopped up. I got some ripe tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. I got some green peppers. I also got some canned mushrooms. 2 cans of those. Did I mention my red onions? I hope I did. I love those raw. And of course, some salad dressings. Bacon ranch. Thousand Island. That's going to be a nice salad. Then I also got some barbecue sauce. Ooh. Hickory and brown sugar. Over here, I got 4 things of yogurt, Greek yogurt, mixed berry. Hiding back here is some butter. Then I got some chia seeds. I'm going to have my sister make some chia pudding. This is supposed to be really good and really good for you. I'm going to let you know. Then we got seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder. We also have for breakfast some biscuits, some low sodium bacon, some waffles. Then we also have some eggs, liquid gold, some hash browns, and some cheese to go with that. Then we got 5 pounds of ground beef, which was $15. But this could be hamburger, cheeseburgers. Oh, meatloaf. Chili. You guys want to see me make some chili for the wintertime? Why not? Then we've got
Stuffed cabbage.
stuffed cabbage. Yes. Yes.
Lumpy.
Yes. Oh, I can't wait. And water. My favorite drink. Now, this may not be a lot, but it is something healthy. And also keep this in mind. The healthier you eat, the more expensive it is. That's just a fact. But this will lead to salads. This will lead to burgers. This will lead to chili. This will lead to other dishes I can make. And also, my hair is a mess. I don't try. Anyway, you can make recipes. You can make all sorts of things. Write to me and I can tell you some. Okay? Now, we've got some recipes coming up, including hot dog soup. It may not be the healthiest, but if that's all you got, I'm going to show you how you make it. And I'll show you how you make it healthier than it really was supposed to be. All right? I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. I want you to get some ideas from me so how you can survive on how to survive. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Even if you just want to chat, but especially if you need food. And remember what I say, do not be afraid to go to the food pantries. Anybody who talks about a person who goes to the food pantry has one thing in their mouth: hot air. Now, you want food in your mouth. That's right. You got to fill those tummies, and some of you have to feed families like I do. Now, until next time, I got some big surprises coming up. It's going to be a whole big thing in Uncle Chris' kitchen, okay? We got to revive these cabinets and this floor. All right? All right. Till next time, big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got